Searching for a venue to host an event? Why not consider having it at Leadfoot City? With more than 70 acres, our expansive property is more than suitable for just about any event you could think of, automotive related or not. From large-scale festivals to private corporate functions, to weddings and birthdays, and even concerts, Leadfoot City is the premier events venue in the area.
You guys have been a big asset to the county just to have something to offer the residents of Hernando County. Got a great location, beautiful facility, easy to get to. It's a great venue to network and socialize.
We love coming over here to Leadfoot City because Leadfoot City has always been like family to us. They treat us really well. They throw us really good events for us. They have the best facilities, the best food, the best entertainment. We will be coming back to Leadfoot City every year from this point on.
Everything has been amazing. Leadfoot City
has been more than amazing.
Yeah, everything they've done for us.
Everybody involved in helping make everything perfect.
Yeah, the whole opportunity.
It was so just easy.
It really was. I mean, I've never been married before, but this was pretty simple.
We used to do this on Courtney Campbell Causeway, and then we got shut down. We were no longer allowed to do it on public areas. We had to do it on private property, so therefore we had to bring it here to Leadfoot, where they made us feel right at home.
We're having a party for all of the seniors at Nature Coast here at Leadfoot with drinks and go-karts and all that fun stuff. I'm glad to be here today. It's a lot of fun. I love it here.
We love hosting our Leadfoot community, so whether your event is big or small, a celebration for a milestone, a meeting for work, or if you're interested in relocating an existing event, we're excited to welcome you. To learn more about hosting your events here, what spaces we have available, and what services we offer, visit leadfootcity.com today.